How to delete your WhatsApp backup from iCloud. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can delete the WhatsApp backup from iCloud, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically delete the WhatsApp backup from iCloud, if you have backed up your WhatsApp chats to your iCloud account on iPhone, you can actually delete them by opening up settings, tapping on your Apple ID name from the top, and then going to this option here known as iCloud. And once you go to iCloud here, apps using iCloud, you can select the all option over here. And once you select the all option, you should also be able to find WhatsApp on the list. So you can just turn off the toggle next to WhatsApp over here. Once you turn off the toggle next to WhatsApp, you can also go to device backups, and here you should be able to see the WhatsApp, and then you can just tap on it to delete any of the WhatsApp data that you might have on your iCloud. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically delete any sort of WhatsApp data you might have on your iCloud. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.